Hi, this is Van Parker, Ben Reitzel, Cam Duarte, and Mark Ifra. The problem that we decided to focus on was improving classes and workspaces and potentially implementing new ones for the Shuford minor.
We chose this problem because we are all in the Shuford program and have noticed an issue regarding workspaces and the certain features that they lack when it comes to Shuford students seeking a space to use. Our group believes that these spaces are inadequate and could be improved to better support student learning and productivity. We see it as an opportunity to make a tangible impact on the educational experience of Shuford minor students. The quality of workspaces can have a significant impact on student productivity, motivation, and overall well-being. By improving the current workspaces, we may also be able to create a more collaborative and supportive learning environment. Additionally, addressing this problem may help to increase student satisfaction with the Shuford minor program and improve retention rates.
Now that we've defined the problem, I'm going to walk you through the process. First, we had to define our goal. Before we started the project, we realized that it was important to define our goals and what we hoped to achieve. In this case, we wanted to consider what specific problems we wanted to solve for Shuford students, what resources or features would be useful, and how we would want to these space to function. Next, we had to conduct research. Once we had a clear idea of our goals, we conducted research to understand the needs and preferences of Shuford students. We conducted surveys, talking to current or past students, as well as some Shuford staff. Then we researched best practices for collaborative workspaces. Next, we created a plan. Based on our research, we created a detailed plan for the workspaces. This includes a layout for the space, a list of resources and features, and a loose timeline for potentially completing the project.
For our conclusions, while we came to many conclusions throughout this process, I believe the biggest conclusion we came to was how much students in the Shuford program would actually appreciate this initiative, yet how expensive this could potentially be. With spaces on Franklin Street being rather expensive to rent out and the features also being expensive, it would be a very difficult plan to provide funding for, as it would not generate any direct revenue. Our biggest surprises. While completing this design sprint, we found that our biggest surprise was how many different schools have innovation spaces, while UNC and the Shuford minor do not. We were also surprised about how strong the response was in favor of creating these workspaces and having them catered to entrepreneurship. Additionally, many who are late-night workers really advocated for this workspace to be open 24 hours so that they can study and do work during the late hours of the night. If we were to have done something differently, we wish we had made a greater effort to reach out to Shuford administrators and hear their input about the feasibility of this project. We believe that this would add a sense of practicality before we went forward with our ideas. Thank you.